Hi, Jay Scheit from Bedford Industries sales team. And today I want to discuss the Bedford Industries Ring Tyer. But before we get into the Bedford Ring Tyer, I also want to say thank you for joining us at the Pack Expo virtual show. As we all know, it's been a very interesting year with COVID-19, and we're all so used to engaging at the physical show, but that's not an option this year. And that's where we feel fortunate to be able to engage with our customers on this virtual platform. So thanks for spending 15 minutes with Bedford Industries today. With that said, let's talk about the Bedford Ring Tyer. This is a perfect solution for tying a variety of products with the twist tie. Perfect application for cables, hoses, tubing, cords, or anything else that needs to be bundled with a twist tie. At Bedford Industries, you may know we are the world's largest twist tie manufacturer, where we not only take pride in developing twist tie solutions, but automation solutions to run our twist tie as well. We truly pride ourselves on being a one-stop shop for not only tie material, but automation solutions. Now, let's take a look at the Bedford Ring Tyer. Just taking a general overview. The recommended Bedford material is 2,000 foot spool, 1/4 inch paper double 24 gauge tie with 1/8 inch spacing. This machine is run with a very straightforward PLC, and the tying mechanism is this ring right here, which can be configured with a 4-inch, 6-inch, or 9-inch product ring. And what that means is, without the table, we can get product inside of the ring of approximately a 1/2 inch less than the ring size. So for example, if you have a diameter product of 3.5 inches or less, we would recommend a 4-inch product ring. If you have a diameter product of 5.5 inches or less, we would recommend a 6-inch product ring. And for some of the larger applications, 8.5 inch diameter or less, we would recommend a 9-inch product ring. Now, let's talk about activating the tying mechanism. Activating the tying mechanism can be done with either a foot pedal or a trip switch. The foot pedal will give you complete control of when you activate the tying mechanism. The trip switch can be configured on the side of the tying mechanism and is activated by putting pressure on the switch. The Ring Tyer also has safety features in which I will demonstrate later. Now, before I move forward with the demonstration, we have to properly string up the machine with Bedford twist tie. Let's take a look at how this is done. Now that you have easily strung up your machine, you are ready to bundle your products. So I'm going to show you a demonstration with our Ring Tyer here. As I mentioned earlier, the PLC interface is very easy, very straightforward. As soon as you're strung up, we just want to turn the power on. We're going to hit our reset button and make sure that the setting is set to auto on the bottom left-hand corner of the PLC. This Ring Tyer is configured with a 6-inch product ring, and it's also configured with a foot pedal as opposed to a trip switch. What we're going to be tying today is some tubing with about a 4.5 inch diameter. So we're just going to stick the tubing into the tying mechanism, and we're going to activate with our foot pedal. As you can see, it provides a very nice tight tie. And I'm just gonna put it through a really quick drop test for everyone to see how nice and tight the ties are. As you can see, as we dropped it to the floor, the ties are still nice and tight. The really nice thing about the Bedford Ring Tyer is there's self-adjusting tie length, so you can still use the 6-inch product rings for some of the smaller diameter products as well. I'll also show you some electrical cords. It's a very fast, efficient, quiet machine. The Ring Tyer does have additional safety features. There is an emergency shutoff switch if needed. As an additional safety feature, if your hand gets in the way of the ring, it will stop and the tie will retract. I'll demonstrate this. If this would happen, you would just have to shut off the machine, put to string up mode, turn the machine back on, put the setting back to auto, do a manual cut of the tie, and you're back up and running. I've shown you a few applications, but there are many more. Let's take a look at a few more. Now that you've seen a variety of applications, let's cover how it will look in your production setting. The standard electrical is 120 VAC and 240 VAC is also available upon request. The Bedford Ring Tyer does require compressed air. It does require 80-pound plant air. The footprint of the Bedford Ring Tyer is going to be 67 inches high by 26 inches wide and 30 inches deep. The Ring Tyer does come on a stand that comes with locking casters. These casters make for very easy portability, and the standard stand comes with fixed height. However, we do also offer a stand with a hand crank for adjustable height as well. As we're wrapping up, I just want to let you know that we do have technicians that are available and ready for support. We also have spare parts that are in stock and ready to ship. We take a lot of pride in keeping your Ring Tyer operation up and running in production. We can typically ship these parts in a day. If you'd like to learn more about the Bedford Ring Tyer, we have plenty of booth content, and you can also visit our YouTube channels. We're also welcoming personal meetings to discuss pricing and other further details. Thank you very much for joining us today. It was truly a pleasure being in front of you. Thank you.